Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add an RSS feed to your blog on Wix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I have a store site, so I'm just going to go into add elements first, go into blog and click add to site, and this is going to add a blog to my website. As you can see, it'll take a couple of seconds. It's just going through the specific settings that it needs, and once that's done, it'll be the blog will be added, and it'll take you to the new page which will appear. And as you can see, the Wix blog has been added in the background, and after that you can start to add the RSS feed. Now, as you can see, once you're here, you just need to go into add elements again, go into blog, and you have this RSS button over here, and you have a couple of different styles. You just need to select whichever one you want. I'll select this one and drag it over onto my page, and now that I've done that, it'll be added to that page on the actual site. As you can see, I'm on the blog page, which has automatically been added, and you can just double click on it to manage the button. You can customize the design, and you also have support if you need it, or you can manage posts by clicking here, and it'll open up your dashboard as a pop-up to allow you to customize everything. And you can also go into settings, which opens up just this button, and that is all there is to it. It's very easy, very practical, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.